Good morning, all of
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So we will start with the same problem that we have already discussed in the last lecture. So in the last lecture, we have started with NFA to DFA conversion. Yes. So as you all know that we cannot implement NFA, right? So as we cannot implement NFA, but it is necessary for some kind of problems to design NFA, we are going to design NFA, and then we are going to convert that NFA to DFA, which we can implement it. Okay. So in the last lecture, we have started with the conversion methods, NFA to DFA conversion methods. There are two types of conversion methods. First is the direct method that we have already started in the last lecture, and second one is the subset construction method. Okay, I think we have solved one problem related to the direct method in the last lecture already, and we have started with the second problem. Okay, so yes, so this is the second problem that you can see in front of you. One NFA is given to us. Convert the given NFA, convert the given NFA to its equivalent DFA. Remember one thing, whenever we are converting NFA to its DFA, the meaning of that NFA should not be changed. Okay, so we are converting this particular NFA to its equivalent DFA. Here, four different states are given. So the for a direct method, steps for the direct method are, can anyone repeat? Can anyone tell me what are the steps for direct method? What is the first step for direct method?
Ma'am, we just
Yes,
need to
what is the
calculate the
first?
power set.
Yes, first of all, we need to calculate the power set. Here, total number of states given are 4. So to calculate the power step, we need to calculate 2 to the power q, means 2 to the power 4, which is 16. So there will be 16 number of states in the power set of q. But here we are implementing the null set. Okay, 5. We are implementing the null set. So here we are writing the total 15 number of states. Accordingly, we have formed a transition table for the equivalent DFA. Right, in the last lecture already, you all know how to do this. In सारे states के लिए हमें respective transitions find out करने हैं, considering all these states as the new states. Okay, considering all these states as one single state, we have already found out the transitions for the given input symbols. Okay, so this is the equivalent DFA for the given NFA. But what happened is, there was one problem that occurred in the last lecture to us, that there are many states that are given here whose transitions are exactly same. Okay, there are many transitions whose there are, yes, many transitions who are exactly same, means when 0 is given as an input, then they go to the same state. When 1 is given as an input, then they go to the same state. Okay, so in order to unnecessarily increase the state in given DFA, what we can do is we can minimize the equivalent DFA. Okay, so there are some minimization techniques. And why is it required to minimize the number of states in the given DFA? Because see, this DFA working is nothing but a program. Okay, जब हम ये DFA implement करते हैं, it is nothing but we are implementing a simple program. Okay, so in this program, all these number of states, these are the functions that are included in that program. Okay, so ये जो states है, वो functions implement कर functions in that single program. So if we are going to increase the number of functions in a program, what will happen? वो कोड रन तो होगा, बट डिपेंडेंसी उन फंक्शंस में ज्यादा रहेगी. Right, dependence will be there. It will take much longer time for a code to run if it will have maximum number of functions included in it. Right, suppose एक program है जिसमें सिर्फ 2 ही functions है, obviously you will get the output of that code more faster than a program who has 5 number of functions. राइट, में फंक्शन कॉल्स रहेंगे, so response time ज़्यादा होगा, and we don't want that. We want our computational model to work efficiently. Okay, we want our computational model to work efficiently. So that's why we are going to minimize the different number of states that are there. जो similar states है उन्हें हम delete करेंगे, and the states which are repeated उनका सिर्फ एक ही instance हम यहाँ पे रखेंगे. But remember again one thing, that why meaning of the n is given to us should not be changed, and for what purpose we have calculated the DSA वो भी change नहीं होते हैं. Okay, so this thing should be kept in mind. Now, in the last lecture, we have started with the DFA minimization techniques. Okay, so there are multiple rules that are given for DFA minimization. Do you want me to repeat all those rules, or we can directly start with minimizing the DFA? Yes?
Ma'am, from fifth rule, can you start?
Yes?
From fifth rule.
Yes, yes. Okay. Fifth rule. Okay. Okay, revise the rules once again. So why we are going to do the DFA minimization? Okay, exactly what we are going to do the DFA minimization. In DFA minimization, the very first step is that we are going to calculate the equivalent states. Okay, we are going to calculate the equivalent states. Now, what are equivalent states? Two or more states are said to be equivalent states if they undergo the same transitions on reading the same input symbol, and this should be true for all the transitions. Okay, and they should be of same type, so either they should be a final state or they should be a non-final state. Okay, so what is mean by equivalent state? See here, this is the equivalent DFA table that we have found out. कोई भी दो states के लिए, okay, कोई भी दो states के लिए, for example, suppose this is the RS state. Okay, this is the RS state. RS state के transition क्या है? इस RS state को जब zero input दिया, it is transiting to the S as the next state, and when 1 is given as an input, it is transiting to S again, right? There is one more state which is S. This is also when 0 is given as an input to this state, it is transiting to S, and when 1 is given as an input to this, it is transiting to S. So basically, both of them are doing the same function, only name of the state is different. Also, what these equivalent states say, that we can say that these two states are equivalent if and only if they are of same type. Either both the states should be final state, or both the states should be a non-final state. Okay, and their transitions for all the input symbols given in the alphabet for that particular NFA should be same. All the transitions should be same. So here, in case of this RS and this, these transitions are same. Also, both of them are final state. Either both of the states should be final state, or both of the states should be non-final state. Okay, so we can say that RS and S are the इक्विवेलेंट स्टेट. अब हमें क्या करना है? इक्विवेलेंट स्टेट फाइंड आउट करके ये दोनों स्टेट सेम ही फंक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, सो वी कैन डिलीट वन इंस्टेंस. सिंपली वी कैन डिलीट वन इंस्टेंस, और यहाँ पे जहां पे भी RS का रेफरेंस है, वो RS का काम अब कौन करेगा? दिस S state will do the work of RS. So everywhere we are going to replace, in place of RS, we are going to replace the entry of S. So what we are doing, we are simply minimizing the number of states. RS को delete किया क्योंकि RS का काम S करेगा. Okay, so this is the meaning of equivalent states. Now, what are the DFA minimization rules? Okay, so DFA minimization rules state that first rule is that we can replace one non-final state by its equivalent non-final state only. Okay, एक तो फाइनल स्टेट को फाइनल स्टेट से रिप्लेस करो, या फिर नॉन फाइनल स्टेट को नॉन फाइनल स्टेट से रिप्लेस करो. These are the first two rules. Then the third rule is that we cannot replace initial state by any other state. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, इनिशियल स्टेट को हम रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज योर वर्किंग ऑफ डीएफए इट स्टार्ट्स विद द इनिशियल स्टेट. इवन इफ देर आर इक्विवेलेंट स्टेट, योर यू कैन हैव 2 to 3 इक्विवेलेंट स्टेट्स अलोंग विद द इनिशियल स्टेट. तो करना क्या है, जो स्टेट हम रखेंगे that will be the initial state and rest of the states will be deleted, but you cannot delete the initial state. That is the third one rule. Then the fourth rule is that we cannot replace one final state by a non-final state or vice versa. ओके एक फाइनल स्टेट को नॉन फाइनल स्टेट से या नॉन फाइनल स्टेट को फाइनल स्टेट से हम रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते. देन fifth rule is that replacing state A by state B, it means that deleting all the entries related to state A, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी explain किया, that is all the transitions for state A from the state transition table should be replaced by the state B. Look at this. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे देखा, what I have explained here, यहाँ पे आपको क्या एक्सप्लेन किया था, RS है, ओके, RS is a final state and S is also a final state and all these transitions are also same. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, सपोज मैंने RS को डिलीट किया, ओके, सपोज RS को डिलीट किया, तो RS को डिलीट करने के बाद वी आर रिप्लेसिंग द स्टेट S फॉर दिस RS स्टेट. तो जहां जहां पे भी इस ट्रांजिशन टेबल में RS के एंट्रीज रहेंगे वहां पे हमें हर जगह पे S को रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द फिफ्थ वन रूल. The sixth one rule that optimizing DFA, applying all the aforementioned 5 steps, if we find any more equivalent states as a result of reduction, we repeat the same 5 steps again or we stop. ओके अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, एक ही स्टेट हमने फाइंड आउट की, राइट, वी हैव फाइंड आउट ओनली वन सिंगल स्टेट as an equivalent state, but it is not the case. There can be many more multiple equivalent states that will be there जो हमें find out करने हैं repeatedly. So we have to repeat all these steps till we feel that there are no more equivalent states present in the table. Okay, these are the DFA minimization rules. Now let's begin with the problem to do the DFA minimization. Okay, अब DFA minimization करेंगे. Now before doing the DFA minimization, what we feel that कि यहाँ पे ये 15 states है, right? 15 number of states है. तो 15 number of states है, तो it becomes difficult for us to address these states as PQ, PRS, QRS. So let's do one thing. This is not compulsory or this is not given in any of the steps for the direct method or the DFA minimization technique. This is not given anywhere, but for our convenience, we can do this. Okay. So what we are going to do this, we are going to replace these number of states with the normal numbers so that it will be easier for us to find out the equivalent states and also to write the equivalent DFA टेबल. ओके, तो हम क्या करेंगे, रिप्लेस करेंगे. सपोज P स्टेट को मैंने रिप्लेस किया 1 से, ओके, P स्टेट को मैंने रिप्लेस किया 1 से, तो P विल बी नोन एज 1 आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, देन Q इज रिप्लेस्ड विद 2, R इज रिप्लेस्ड विद 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so what I have done here, I have replaced these states with the numbers. Okay, तो अब यहाँ पे भी ट्रांजिशन टेबल में ये जो ट्रांजिशन शो किए हैं फॉर इनपुट 0 and 1, इसके लिए भी रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो टेल मी PQ के लिए क्या नंबर है, 5, P के लिए 1, R के लिए 3, then again for R it's 3, for S it's 4, this is 5, for S again it's 4, for PQR it's 11, for PR it's 8. आपको समझ में आ रहा है हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing is sorry, for PR it's 6. For QR it's 8. Okay. So what we are doing is हम simply numbers से replace कर रहे हैं. So जो equivalent DFA हम design करेंगे इसके बाद after minimizing, it will be easier for us to understand the equivalent states. Okay. Now this is not compulsory. Again, I am telling you, this is not at all compulsory. आप यहाँ पे सेम नेम से भी ये सारी प्रोसेस कर सकते हो, बट फॉर आवर कन्वीनियंस आई एम डूइंग दिस. ओके. PQS is 12. For P it is 1. Again PQS 12. For PS it's 7. For RS it's 10. For R it's 3. For RS again 10. RS 10. For S it's 4. For S 4. PQRS is 15. PR is 6. PQRS is 15 again. PRS is 13. Yes. PQS is 12. PS is 7. RS is 10. RS is again 10. PQRS is 15. And last one, PRS is 13. Okay. So this is how we have replaced this thing. अब हमें क्या करना है? Equivalent state find out करना है. Okay. So एक तो equivalent state मैंने ही आपको बोली है, which is we have seen that the state RS. Okay. State RS के zero transitions SS पे है, which is 4 4, and state S के transitions also 4 4 है for the input symbol 0 and 1, and both of them are the final state. So this RS can be deleted and this can be replaced for S. We can say that this is replacement number 1. Okay, this is replacement number 1. Hello? Yes, any doubt? Can you tell me another equivalent state? There are many equivalent states present here.
Ma'am, 9 and 14 one. QS and for QRS, like it's RS.
9 is, yes, RS, and the 14th one, RS and RS, correct. So 9 and RS, both of them are final states. Correct. This is replacement number 2. Then next,
12 and 15.
12 goes to 15 and 13, and this is 15 and 13. 12 is also final state, 15 is also final state. Correct. This is replacement number 3. Any more equivalent states?
7 and 13.
Yes? Bolo.
7
Let
and
it be
13.
wrong. 7 and 13. PRS 13, 12 and 7, and this is 12 and 7. This is also final state. This is also final state. Correct. 7 and 13. Replacement number 4. Are there any more states?
9 and 14.
वो किया ना, 9 and 14 we have already marked. We have already marked 9 and 14. Okay, I think that's all. So we don't have any more states. Now, what we are going to do next, we are going to write the updated transition table, and we are going to write its replacements. Okay, updated transition table design करेंगे. According to this, I think you all must be having this table with you, क्योंकि अभी मैं यहाँ पे reference के लिए table नहीं ले सकती. Still we will refer. Okay, and we are going to denote the number of states with 1 to 15 itself. Okay, तो क्या करेंगे अभी? क्या 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 रखना है. So this 15 is replaced. So it may be possible that we can delete this 15 number of state, and we are replacing this 15 number of state with state number 12. So 12 will be there. तो हमारे लिस्ट में 15 नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay, because we are going to keep the state number 12. और जहां जहां पे भी 15 का occurrence है वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा, वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस दैट 15 नंबर स्टेट विद द 12 नंबर स्टेट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 15 के स्टेट के ट्रांजिशन कहाँ पे है वो सर्च करने हैं. फर्स्ट 15 नंबर ट्रांजिशन वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस इट विथ 12. I am going to just represent it with the dot so that it will be easier for us. To understand that we have replaced this state. Okay, then here also 15 will be replaced with 12 because we are deleting this 15. Then we are deleting this, so इसे replace करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे भी 15 है क्या? नहीं. Okay, one replacement done. Next, 14 is the replacement for this 9. Okay, so we are going to keep this 9 and we are going to delete the 14. तो अब हम 14 डिलीट करेंगे. तो जहां जहां पे भी 14 के ट्रांजिशन है, okay, we have to replace all the 14 transitions with the 9. So I don't think any 14 transitions are there. Are there any? कहीं पे मिस्टेक हो रहा है तो बोलो. I am solving it here itself. Okay, I don't think any 14 transitions are there. Then next is 13. 13 should be replaced with 7. Okay, so we are going to delete 13 and we are going to keep 7. तो 13 के जहां जहां पे ट्रांजिशन होंगे वो 13 के ट्रांजिशन हमें रिप्लेस करने हैं विद द 7th स्टेट. ओके, विद द 7th स्टेट और 13 with 7. Okay, any more 13 transitions are there? No. Next is RS. RS will be replaced with this state number 4. 10 will be replaced with 4. तो ये 10 को हम डिलीट करेंगे और 10 की जगह पे हर जगह पे 4 को रिप्लेस करेंगे. So 10, this will be replaced with 4. This will be replaced with 4. This will be replaced with 4. Any more 10 are there? Yes. This will be replaced with 4 and this will be replaced with 4. Okay. अब ये जो ट्रांजिशन हमने किए हैं इसका अपडेटेड ट्रांजिशन टेबल हम यहाँ पे डिजाइन करेंगे. ओके, सो स्टेट नंबर 1, 2, स्टेट नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 नहीं है. ओके, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is no 10. Then we have 11, 12. 11 and 12. अभी क्या करना है, इनके ट्रांजिशंस लिखने. जो स्टेट्स हमने डिलीट किए वो हमने अपडेटेड ट्रांजिशन टेबल में इंक्लूड नहीं किए हैं. ओके, सो फॉर 1 द ट्रांजिशंस आर 1 and 5, 1 and 5. For 2 it is 3 and 3. For 3 it is 4 and dash. For 4 it is 4 and 4. For 5 it is 11 and 6. For 6 it is 12 and 1. 7 it is 12. For 8 it is and 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, for one it should 5 and 1. Huh?
हाँ, yes,
Ma'am,
it should be
आपने
5 and 1.
दिया है.
हाँ, sorry, it should be 5 and 1. Yes, correct. It should be 5 and 1. For 7 it was 12 and 7. For 8 it is 4 and 3. For 9 it is 4 and 4. Then 10 तो हमने डिलीट किया है. For 11 it is 12. For 11 it is 12 and 6. Yes. And for 12 it is 12 7. Correct. For 12, it is 12 and 7. Yes. So this is the updated equivalent DFA. Now what we have to do is we have this DFA with us. Okay. अब इसमें 1 is our start state. Okay. 1 is our start state, and which are our final state? 4 was our final state in this. 7 was our final state in this. Then 9 was our final state, and 12 was our final state. These were the final states. Okay. तो अब हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे फिर से find out करना है whether there are any equivalent states present or not. So quickly, we have only 2 minutes in this meeting. We are going to rejoin the same meeting for the same problem. But till then, quickly मुझे बोलो कि इसमें equivalent states present है क्या?
7
Like
and 12.
7 and 12.
9 and 4.
7 and 12, correct. So we can do replacement 1. Any more equivalent state?
9.
4 and 9.
Yes, 4 and 9, correct. Replacement 2. Any more equivalent state? These are the only 2 states. So अब हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, दोनों ये सब final state है. So we will delete this 2. Okay, we will delete this 2 and we are going to keep. So जहाँ पे भी 12 का occurrence है, वहाँ पे हर जगह पे हमें 7 को replace करना है. Okay, this 12 will be replaced with 7. Again, this 12 will be replaced with 7, and all the occurrences of 12 will be replaced with 7. Then यहाँ पे नहीं है. Next is we are going to delete this 9, and in place of 9 we are going to keep 4. So wherever 9 occurrence is there, we have to keep it. 9 का occurrence कहीं पे भी नहीं है. Okay, so this is the replacement. Again, we have to design one updated transition table. Okay, write one more updated transition table with the updated number of states. Okay, guys, please note it down, the updated transition table. We are running out of time. This meeting will end. So better what we will do, we will rejoin the meeting. Same link, rejoin karo. Okay, thank you. And please write the updated transition table, और मुझे updated transition table बोलो उसके बाद क्या है. Okay, please rejoin the same link. Thank you.